Hey, what's up guys, it's Phil from Easy Unreal, and let me show you today how to migrate this object from project 1 to project 2. It's very easy, and Unreal Engine 5 already have this tool incorporated into its core functionality. So let's start. Let me show you how. If I go File and go to here Open Project, you can see that I have project 1 and project 2. Currently we are in a project 1. Let's say, for example, you want to migrate this texture. If you right click on it, go to Asset Actions and click Migrate, you can see this asset report, and you can see that it will also migrate all these textures. This is because your assets consists of many elements that Unreal Engine combine into your, for example, material. You can see these elements and what is connected with what in right click on it and click over here Reference Viewer. You can see that this material is consisted of these textures over here. To make sure that everything goes right, Unreal Engine must combine everything and migrate everything that is connected to this material. So if you want to migrate multiple items, it's the same thing. Click over here this first item, hold Ctrl, right click and Asset Actions and click Migrate. And you can see that we're now migrating everything. Hit OK, and we are now in the content project 1. You can just go up here. If you're in project 1, just go up here until you see your projects. It's in UF5 projects, and select your project where you want to migrate your assets and select content folder. And this is it. You don't need to select any other folder. Click select folder, and maybe you will get this message. This means that you already have your assets over there, because I use starter content. But if you have this message, don't worry, just hit apply to all and click yes. And you can see that your assets are now migrated to project 2. So you can go to File and open project 2. And over here under the content folder, you can see your assets. You can freely drag and drop them over here, and everything will work just fine. I have one idea. I don't know if it works and how it works, but if you try it, let me know in the comments below. The idea is to have one project that will be named library, and you may guess we will pump all these assets into our project named library. And if we need our assets from that library, from that project, we will just migrate it to our working version of our current project. And this will be good. I don't know how it works with updates and so on, but it's worth to check it out. If you have comments, let me know in the and see you in some other video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.